Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Uber on all devices. So if you are using Uber, you might be wondering how you can basically log yourself out from all of the devices in which you are logged in. So unfortunately, when you try to go into the settings, you won't be able to see any log out of all devices option. So in this situation, what you can do is you just have to simply change your password. So once you change your password, it will automatically log you out from the other devices and you will be stay logged in that particular devices with the help of which you changed that password. As you can see that on Reddit as well, this person is saying that changing the password worked for me. So here you just have to simply follow this trick in order to log yourself out from all devices on Uber. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.